BG Tools, showing you here our stitching punches. We have these in 1 tooth, 2, 5, and 9 tooth punches. They have a 1.2 millimeter hole and everything from 4 up to 7 millimeter distance from center. So here is, just to show you first, this is what the finished product after you've punched your holes look like. So you can see you're punching that 1.2 millimeter hole here. And this is a product that had that 1.2 millimeter hole with some Ritza tiger thread stitched through. So take a look. Let me grab the 6 millimeter from hole, 6 millimeter from center hole, 5 tooth. So as you can see, if you can see in there, there's an exit here where when you're punching this, as they begin to fill up, they will shoot out from the top. They'll eject from the top there. All right, so I'm gonna get my wing divider here. I'm gonna set this off about 3 millimeters from the edge. All right, so I got my 5 tooth here. Line that up. Okay, so I've just punched this on the cutting board. That should be fine, but also if you really protecting these teeth, this is a plastic pad, which is a little more give to it. So that's going to allow the teeth, the hole punches, to a bit more longevity. You do not want to be hitting this on any hard surface. That will break the teeth. Which, speaking about replacement teeth, we do have teeth here as well that we're selling separately. Comes with the Allen wrench, extra screws. These are easily removable and inserted, and you can remove a few or like I said, replace them as well. So there's finished product. We're going to lay our stitches just on top of that line. And that is how you use our Buckleguy stitching punches.